Hey guys, this is Ryan from Ground Up Websites. I just want to quickly do a kind of a different video today. I want to talk about content, and there's some very logical thoughts that I think a lot of people are missing when it comes to content or what to write on their website or their Google business profile. So think about this. You have a site that's one page, or you have a site that's 5 pages, you have a site that's 50 pages. What is the benefit to having a 50-page website versus a single-page website? Well, the benefit is that you get to type more things. You get to have more content on there, okay? And that's obvious. But what I think a lot of times people forget is if you don't have the phrase that somebody is searching for on Google, on your website, or in your Google business profile, you don't show up. So, and you also have to think, so if I'm going to use general contractor as my example, but if you're a general contractor and you're competing against these other general contractors in your area, you know for a fact they have the phrase general contractor on their website. You know that all of them do. They probably also have the phrase bathroom remodel or kitchen remodel, okay? But what phrases do they not have on their website that people are searching for? Well, let's look. If you can, this is a list from Google itself of what people are searching in the entire US. And this is all around, being a general contractor. You can see the search volume and the competition. I would pay no attention to this competition column because often it's wrong, more often than it's right. But think about this, okay? If somebody searches for, let's take an example, bathtub to shower conversion. If you do not have that phrase on your website doesn't show up. Or or you can have it in your Google business profile. If that phrase is not on your site, you don't show up. And the same goes for all of the other general contractors in your area. So if somebody is searching for this and nobody else has this on their website, what does Google show? Right? They don't have a business to show for this. They might show a blog post from somebody that's out of town. But if you're in your city and you're writing about this and somebody in your city searches for this thing and you have it on your website, now you have the ability to show up. So it's not always more content is better just for the sake of having more content, but more content that covers more of these search terms, okay? Let's say you added 10 blog posts to your website and each one covers different search terms, okay? So one you have about bathtub conversion to shower, and then you can include bathtub to shower conversion, and you can include tub to shower conversion, and in one blog post you can include jacuzzi bath remodel. So you just got 4 search terms in one blog post, okay? Think about what this is the actual data of what people are searching. And if you are not competing for these terms or whatever your terms may be, then you can't show up, you can't win. So here's another example. I was looking at a car detailing website yesterday, and if you search for car wash in that city, this person shows up, no problem. But what they don't have on their website is they don't have anything about cleaning up. I'm going to use a silly example, but how to get bubble gum out of a seat. Now, I don't think that term exactly is being searched, but I'm just using it as an example. Let's say that gets 100 searches a month, how to get bubble gum out of a seat, and you are the only car detailer in your city within 30 miles that has any content about getting bubble gum out of a car seat. Who do you think is going to get all of those clicks? Of course, you are. So making an additional page to cover all of these keywords, blogs is really good because you can write a lot of words, you can establish authority, you can show Google that you are the authority, and you can cover multiple of these keywords in one blog post. And you can start ranking for that keyword, that search phrase, immediately. If you're not going to do blog posts, that's fine. You should do individual service pages so you can cover every service, kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel, roofing, siding, basements, whatever it may be. And that way you at least cover those because you'll beat some of the general contractors that just have one page that says, I'm a general contractor in Tampa or whatever it is. And that's it. So think about what terms you can put on your site. And it should be noted also, you can't just write these terms somewhere like tub to shower conversion. You can't just drop it on the page somewhere. You need to show Google that you know about this topic, you're writing about this topic, you have authority in this topic, you've done this service. So it's more than just copy and pasting all of these on the website. It might have worked like that 20 years ago, but it doesn't work like that anymore. It's writing actual good information about these topics, okay? So quick video, I know it's different than my other videos, but I just wanted to talk about the content and how simple some aspects of SEO are. Just have the content about that thing that other people don't have, okay? You also need to make sure you're doing good keyword research on this. You can use, this screenshot is from Google Ads. They have a tool, it's called Keyword Planner. You can go in there and pull down this data. You can use Ahrefs, you can use Moz, you can use Ubersuggest. I like Ubersuggest, it's cheap and works well. You can use SpyFu, which is another one that's inexpensive and works well. Ahrefs is super expensive. That's what most SEO companies use. So get a tool, figure out what people are searching in your city, not just all of US, because that might not apply to you. And write content on that thing, okay? All right, good luck.